Hello, it's 2018. We are at the EBV booth at Embedded World Show and here at the NXP pod. I want to show you some interesting demos we have from NXP here. It's our industrial NFC bidirectional communication, although a battery cell controller where we can balancing battery packs for e-mobility. What we announced at this Embedded World Show is a A71CH secure element for IoT solutions, and this device is also in our rapid IoT prototyping kit. That's a kit we are launching, global launch at Embedded World Show today, and with this kit you can very fast prototyping all kind of IoT solutions. You have a software environment where you can have graphical programming through a web interface or traditional with an IDE and the MCU Expresso software environment. On this station we show our NXP MCU lineup, starting with the LPC 800 family, 816-bit replacement, then our general purpose LPC 54000 family with LCD with a lot of interfacing, and below the S32K148, that's our automotive-based MCUs, although with Ethernet it's a complete family lineup. With this is the highest device, and then our really new Elektronik RT MCU family based on the Cortex M7 core, where we also run customer seminars with EBV in the second quarter of this year. On this station we are showing our high-performance MPUs together with some connectivity devices like the NFC add-on for Arduino board or our QN9080 Bluetooth low energy 5.0 device, but here the high-performance LS1012, that's the entry point from our networking processing division, but here our Elektronik 8M, that's the first device we are launching at Embedded World from this Elektronik 8 family. It's dedicated for high-resolution video and audio processing.